If you're trying to answer the question about how do you kill ants without an exterminator, then I have an answer for you. I was having the worst ant problem, and I'm going to insert a little clip here in a second and show you these like in use. And I was talking to a friend of mine who owns a lot of management properties, and he said, no, you have to get these. These things are amazing. It will take care of the problem. All right. I like to say in my videos, this is not a sponsored post. This is just me sharing with you this product because we're going into the summer, and you know, the ants, they just love to play in the summer. Comes with 12 different traps, and we have only this many left. I had this serious ant problem, and I was literally on the verge of calling an exterminator. I'm so glad I listened to my friend. So what you do is you just, you know, pluck off one of them, and then I'm not going to open this, but you just twist it and it will open. All right. And then it will look like this. Set this. You can set it like on a windowsill or in a pantry, or we just had ours like up on the lip on the counter. You'll think for a couple of days, oh, this isn't working, but just wait, because it took about 3 days, and I'm telling you, these ants, like, there were like half, and then half, and then half, and then none. Guess what happens is the ants come in, and they're attracted to this bait, and they take it back to their colony, and then obviously, over time, that kills off their colony. And some of the things that are really important about this for me is that, you know, you can have a spray, like I did a review on one the other day called Bug MD, and I love that stuff, but that's great for the bugs that I can see. This gets the bugs that I can't see because like our particular infestation was back behind the wall. I can't see that, but they took this back to their colony and adios ant problem. No exterminator necessary. The other thing that I like, especially if you have children or pets, is completely enclosed, right? So no little fingers can get in there, so no pets can get in there, no little children fingers can get in here. So it's very safe, like it's completely enclosed, and it's just an easy way to solve the problem. We have these, actually, I'm gonna go replace the traps because it's been a couple of months now. When these run out, which they will eventually, I'm going to repurchase them because this costs nothing when I compare it to an exterminator, or just the overall yuck factor of having ants like in your kitchen, in your pantry, y'all know. So if you enjoy videos like this where you just have a real person, that's me, showing you the products that help you solve real problems, but I don't do sponsored reviews. These are honest to God things that I have used in my real life that have helped, and I hope that they will help you too. Then don't forget to click like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this product or if you've used it in the past, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.